All right, what's going on, Tycoon? Super excited for today's video. We're going to be looking at PayPal again, okay? So PayPal is still looking really good to me for some long-term positions, okay? The bleeding may still continue, all right, as I said in my previous video. But what I want to show you guys is basically going to be the golden pocket is approaching on PayPal, okay? So the golden pocket is going to be between 162 and 169. This is a term known as like the golden ratio or the golden pocket in the Fibonacci's. If you want a video explaining that, a real quick tutorial, nice, simple, and easy, breaking down the Fibonacci's and how to draw them, go ahead and click this video in the top right-hand corner, and it breaks it down real easy for you, and you can come back and watch this video. So essentially, for me, between 169 and 162 on PayPal is going to be, the golden pocket. It would be lovely to get some long positions in there. All right. We're currently looking at the daily chart. And so basically, if we would have bounced here off of this blue line, right, the PayPal would have been in a strong uptrend, but it didn't. Right. And then if we would have bounced here off of this little orangey yellow line right here, PayPal would have been in a normal uptrend. Okay. But it's not. All right. It fell below that. So we need to be very cautious. Okay. That's one thing we need to be cautious of. All right. Is because it fell below that. And then if we bounce on top of the golden pocket, that's what's known as a weak uptrend. And then this little golden ratio, this little, box right here, is, what a lot of people consider a really, really good long-term position if it bounces or recovers near this area. Okay. That's why I have this little circle here for you guys. Now, in my last PayPal video I made, I went over some really, really good debit spreads that you guys can get into. So I definitely would check that video out because, those debit spreads are really good. Those are clutch. All right. And especially if you can enter them when PayPal is, at a discounted rate. Okay. So if we look here, okay, PayPal in the past few days, we're looking at the daily chart. It gapped up a few days ago. All right. And as a result of that, daily gaps tend to fill about 90 to 95% of the time. It's just a matter of when. And so we had a gap from here to here. And then, 3 days later, 1, 2, 3. Okay, we came down and filled that gap. All right, with that little wick, if you guys can see that wick, and that gap filled. All right. So this thing has been bleeding a lot. Okay. Don't fight the trend. This thing can still go down more. But what I like about it is that, this is a blue chip company, basically. All right. PayPal has been around forever. It was originally founded by Elon Musk. Okay. So, PayPal's not going anywhere anytime soon. All right. I know the crypto community is really big and, people are getting into that, but PayPal's, established already and got years and years of credit. And, when people are in fear and when everyone is selling a stock, that's when people like Warren Buffett and hedge funds are coming in and buying it. And that is going to be coming soon. All right. If you want to know more about that and what stocks that I think are going to benefit the most from this next sector rotation, then go ahead and watch this video right here.